is our Down the Rabbit Hole quilt back from the sew along. It's all quilted and ready to be loved. This was quilted by Sue Mitchell, and she did do polka dots and variegated thread all over it. See how close we can get here. And you can see it just makes all the colors kind of jump together and pop. And so that is our Down the Rabbit Hole quilt from the sew along we did with the Facebook group, Heidi's Quilting Help Desk. Thanks for watching us. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, make sure you like and subscribe below. You can find the Whimsical Workshop on our website, thewhimsicalworkshop.com, and that has all links to all of our other social media platforms. Thanks for joining us.